I hope you are doing well. So in this video we will discuss about another important concept in Snowflake. We call it stream. So stream is a new database objects. If you have worked on any other database object like or on premises like Oracle SQL Server, so then you might not have used this concept. But in Snowflake, as it is basically cloud based tool, so it is providing this new database object. We call it a stream. So let us focus on this stream. So first of all, stream is basically used to capture CDCs. It means data change data capture. So in case of any change is happening in your table, so to track those changes, to track those delta changes, okay, so this stream object is getting used. So let me show you. First of all, let me try to create one table. Okay, if you have, I have created one table. So to create the stream, what will happen? It's a very simple: create or replace a stream name on table. Okay, so simply you can create this stream on any of the table. Okay, once you have created this stream, what will happen? Now let me try to insert some data into this table. Okay, I'm inserting data into this table. Okay, so I have inserted two records. Okay, so let me first query the tables. Okay, from orders. So what will happen? If you see, we have inserted two records here. Okay, now so to query the stream, you will simply select star from orders underscore stream this name. Okay, let me run this thing. If you see, it is showing the all the columns from my table. On top of that, it is showing three new columns like metadata action, metadata age update, and metadata row id. Okay, so these are the three columns which are very important, which shows what type of operation has been happened on my table. Okay, one more thing, whenever you are creating stream, so it doesn't store data separately. If you see these three columns, sorry, id and order name, it means it is not storing these data in another place. It is pointing to same data which is present in your orders table, but whenever you are creating a stream, on top of those data it is capturing those changes. Okay, if you see, like metadata action, it means for each row ids are different. Here you will see insert and update is false. It means two rows has been inserted. Now if I have to consume this stream, okay, then what will happen? If you see, I have created one final table. So instead of going various like dimension table or anything or sequence or anything, I'm just getting one simple table. Okay, this is my fact table. Okay, create or replace, let me tell you. Okay, orders f. Okay, I think customer table, no need to of this table. Okay, so if you see, I have created one final table. So what we are do, so to capture the changes from my base table is my orders table. What we have done, we have created one stream. So whenever we are trying to insert data in my final table, instead of directly capturing the records from my orders table, we can capture those records from my stream. So then what will happen? So what it will do, let me try to show you. I'm just running this insert statement. What has happened here? From my stream, the records has been inserted into my final table. Now let me query my stream. So now as streams data present in stream has been consumed, so you will not able to see any data in the stream. Okay, so what has happened? So that's where it has captured your any of the changes in your base table, and whatever changes has been occurred in your base table, that has been consumed. Okay, suppose now we will go one by one, step by step, so that you can better understand. Okay, now suppose you have updated the records in your base table. Okay, then in that case, what will happen? Let me try to update some records. Okay, one record has been updated. Okay, let me see my base table. See, this has been updated now. So what will happen in case of your stream? So stream will capture your only changed records. If you see, it is showing for only for 101, but you will see here it is showing insert as well as delete, while we have updated, but it is showing me as insert, as delete and insert. Why? Because whenever you are updating any of the records in your base table, then stream like captures those record as delete. It means first that record has been deleted. If you see row IDs are same, okay, then it captures as insert. And if you see here metadata is update, means update is true for both cases, okay. So whenever you are updating any record in your base table, so what will happen, it captures those record as delete and insert, okay. Now, so now if you want to consume those records, if you see a method action is insert, true, okay. Now if you have to consume, so what you can do, you can simply write merge into your final table using your stream, okay. On your we have joined between your id columns when those are matched, okay. When both are matched, and when metadata action is insert and is update equal to true, in that case what we can do, we can update our fact tables, okay, or final table. Let me try to run this. You see one row has been updated. And if you want to see here, you see that has been already updated here, okay. Now if I have to if I'm trying to delete the records, okay, from my base table, so for deletion it will capture as delete, okay, only delete. So let me see my stream, okay. You will see it is capturing it as a delete operation, but only in case of update it captures as delete and insert, okay. Now if you have deleted the records, now if I have to consume the record, when id equal to this or similar, okay, when matched, and metadata action is delete and update is false, in that case what we are doing, we are deleting the record from my final table, okay. We have merged, okay. If I am trying to capture the fact table, see only one row it is showing okay. Now one more thing, so here you might have seen we have used different things, but instead of creating these different three different options of merge, delete, insert, so what we can do, we can create combine all these things in a simple way. Merge into my final table, okay, where id equal to id where matched, and insert method action is insert and true, okay. Update is true, in that case you can update when matched, and when both one is delete and another is false, and each update is false, in that case you have to delete. And when id is not matched to id, it means you have to think that record as a new record, okay. In that case what we can do, we can insert the record. Let me try to insert the record, one record, let me show you, okay. Control home, let me 103 I am doing here, and if I am doing 104 here, okay. So then in that case what we can do, instead of running different operations for all these things, we can run one single merge statement, okay. If you see, we have run one combined statement, and the records should have been captured in my final table, okay. Yeah, one more thing, so we have created in this way, okay. So why we are discussing these things, so to create some end-to-end pipeline, we have what we have discussed so far, like we have loaded data from our s3 bucket to our staging table, okay. And we have implemented some pipe object we have created. Now once data has been come into my staging table, so generally in production what we are doing in real time, what we are doing, we are on the basis of stream, we are capturing the changes in our staging tables, and then by using joins with our different dimension tables, we are supposed to load data into one fact table. One more thing, so instead of, like in next video what I will do, I will try to show you a task, okay. So task is a new database objects. What it will do, task, with the help of task what we can do, we can schedule this merge statement, okay. And whenever, or what we can also do, we can put this merge statement inside a procedure. And what we can do, by creating one task and a different set of times, what we can do, we can schedule that task, and from that task we can call that procedure. Okay, so this way our end to end pipeline runs. Okay, what I will do in next video, I will try to explain you about